How to replace your key fob battery. And this takes a micro Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to twist that out. After removing that battery, is on the back of the key, you're going to see a little slot right here. And you can use a screwdriver. I'm going to use a kitchen knife. We're going to put it in there. Twist. So go one way, then the other way. Now you're going to remove that. Now the battery you'll see is right here. You just need to take a small, this is a small screwdriver. I poke it in there, pull out. This is a CR1620 battery. Take a new battery, slide it in, put the cover back on, push tight, make sure you hear it click. Check all around the seams to make sure they're tight. Take that small screw, twist that back in, make sure it's tight, then check to make sure it works. And this is working, so this was the battery. If you're still having an issue, check your new battery just to make sure that that was a good battery that you purchased, and if it is, you may have an issue with your little control panel inside. Hopefully this helps. Best of luck, and as always, please like and subscribe. Check out one of these other videos.